I was speaking something from Ras and something from practical sadhana tattva. What meaning can I draw from my bhajan? Because that's ultimately what's most important. We can learn all kinds of tattvas, and then we should, of course, learn all the bhakti tattvas as much as we can comprehend and remember. But ultimately, we have to learn how to love Krishna and learn how to serve devotees and surrender and cultivate all the transparent and pure attitudes and mentality which will attract the heart of Radha and Krishna. And that because there's, as a teacher often told me, he said, it's not just heart and not just mind. Only heart, you may be a karmi yogi, only heart. But the real devotee, the successful devotee is a blend of mind and heart. We need both. But of the two, heart is more important. Krishna says all tattvas can be known by the heart. Sangita. Bhakti-amam avijananti yavan jasmi tattvataha. Mam tattva, mam tattva. The truth of me, bhakti-amam avijananti. You want to abhijanati, jana? You want to really know me from all from all sides, then you have to be devoted to me. Bhakti-amam avijananti. Yavan jasmi tattvata. Then all tattvas you'll know. So we can look at this dream from the tattva consideration, and we can see that Balaram, of course, everything's eternal, there's not one begins and another one. There's no beginning to God. Sometimes smart people say, everything began with God. Well, who created God? No, the buck stops there. There's no creator of God. He's the absolute being, absolute truth. So everything is eternal. And we say, Govindamadi Purusham. Because when I read the Brahma Samhita and studied it, we didn't have the tikas, just some small comments by Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, which Prabhupada printed in English, maybe directly from the English of Gaudiya Math.